To pay with Venmo on Shein. Start by opening the Shein app or website and browsing through the various products available. Once you have found the items you want to purchase, add them to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the checkout button and log in to your Shein account if you have not already done so. If you do not have a Shein account, you can create one or check out as a guest. After logging in, you will be taken to the payment page where you can choose from various payment options. Look for the Venmo option, which may be listed under More Payment Methods or Alternative Payment Options. Click on the Venmo option and you will be redirected to the Venmo website or app. If you have the Venmo app installed on your device, it may open automatically. Log in to your Venmo account using your email address and password, or your username and password if you have a Venmo account. If you do not have a Venmo account, you can create one by following the prompts. After logging in, review the payment details to ensure that the amount is correct and the payment method is Venmo. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to. When you are ready, click on the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Shein and Venmo once the payment has been processed. It is essential to note that to use Venmo on Shein, you must have a Venmo account and the Venmo app installed on your device. Additionally, ensure that your Venmo account is funded or linked to a payment method to avoid any issues during checkout. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Venmo on Shein and enjoy a seamless and convenient shopping experience. Remember to always review the payment details before completing a transaction and to keep your Venmo account information up to date to avoid any issues.